whenever I'm privileged to bring him up on stage. We just finished from Worry again last night. He performed for 3 hours. The organizers die. Now be you die now your assistant. So ladies and gentlemen, with a clapping ovation, with a shouting ovation, with a standing ovation, make some noise as I bring on stage the undisputed heavyweight champion in the business of comedy, my distinguished boss in whom I am well pleased. Make some noise for Destalker! Hello. Yes, wait. Wait. Please, a round of applause for every comedian that have graced this show today, please. Hello. Benny guest, I'm gonna go outside. What they bring that one now? When I do pick it before now, they disturb. I just say na family something. Now don't carry a comment. I be robo. I don't be Benny. I'm gonna calm down now.
Let be poor. Breathe.
They will not breathe. Okay. Now tequila na the drink. Now the behavior be there. I'm gonna shout. In case you get abortion, you want to do abortion, ask for potassium. They call it count. Wait. My papa said they look forward the way it tastes sweet. Not be you follow that guy go piss that time. You know, say the girl first you enter. Before you enter. You see first the girl come out. You the quick come on.
She's just a girl and she's on fire.
All right. Let me introduce myself. Hello, Ukodo. Talk to your people now. Go. Hello. Please. I've won awards. Okay? Please. Respect the awards. All right? Best comedian. It's not easy. We many. Even the people when they put us for the same category. I would say highest paid, but God bless I get pride. Yeah, highest paid. Sonic Room, you don't pay me before now, Alpha. I play plenty Abi. Now imagine how much you pay me when you're not open. Grand opening. Imagine how much you pay me. Call look now, I can't come for free. Now know how much I give you like this now.
They never see me.
No, Casino see me coming. I told Casino worried that I will come. All right. So now you know how much I they give you like this now. Abi? Beautiful. You see, say now you go enjoy the show past everybody. Because now you see me and you know get debit.
Let's get it started in here.
These girls, they call them free spirit people. They are on promo. Carry one, get two free.
Make nobody stress me, I'm on the way right now.
You know, say Lagos gets now. You know, say Lagos get now. Today we won't get no devil they sweet again. No. As they follow the girl, they say, I don't know. Can my friend come with us?
Loving you, girl, no get holiday. I do my more day every day.
I might introduce myself. I'm sorry. Yeah. You know, saying a free show, I was not paid. Yeah, I came to support Casino. Where's Casino? Beautiful. Yeah, with Makana? Makana. Big boy. With this your leg, you dey go do for that Christmas for Nigeria. Very soon now you go wear for that Christmas. You are multitasking, oh. Instead of made the children, they call her for that Christmas, they call her Makana. He said, how did you know? He says your leg, uncle. Hey, I like your kind of joke. You talk about yourself. Nobody fit thief your joke. All right. Yes, nice one. I like your joke. Oh, just did like that. All right, let me introduce myself. Full names. Ogene Kokoya, Ogene Berea, Onabi Desmond. They call me the comedic catalyst. The total one of Nigerian comedy. You know me the one of Adeshukwe Kingdom. The other bear call you say one. You know me do one. Listen to me. Ego na bom one. Do you know me one? Multiples award-winning comedian. Or total. By bet I be comedian and I funny.
Girl, I'm not here to the confused. What am I saying?
Hey, Kessling. This life no hard though. Now you they get big project. People they build 2-bedroom, make they stay. You they go build empire. They go build estate. People they buy one car, you they buy 4 cars. Eh? Hello? Sonic room guys, are you okay? No say now not get money, they sit down here speaker. Oh.
For this party, come on.
Anyway, as the waitress come meet you, sir, what do you care for? I can't hear you.
Everything for you.
Anyway, comedians come, they talk, say the country hard. I want to say this to you in the ocean of prophecy. If you think that this country is hard, it will be hard for you. I'm telling you for free. It will be hard for you. All right? It did Bible. As a man think. DJ, calm down, calm down. People want to come out for first date, don't they feel bad?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, I wanna hate this, I'm gonna show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no.
Now only me be comedian when go carry you enter church, carry you go club, carry you go strip club, carry you go mosque. All of them in a joke. Guess the way. You dey invite girl for a date, you don't lodge, idiot. Lagos men are wicked. All right, let's start properly.
Come on.
I was asking an interview, Sonic. I was asking an interview. Apart from comedian, what else would have been as I would be an actor? They say, wow. They say, what kind of movie in Hollywood? I say, no, blue film. Now they ask me, keep quiet, which show show. That's the only film acting that you don't lose, you don't gain. Sky. Now worry boy be that. Sky. Oga 50-50, if you go the audition, if you no pass, you go release.
I never show, I never direct, I never smoke. Come on, even to talk woman, I never fall. Come on, even to talk woman, I never fall. Come on, even to talk woman, I never fall.
Thank you. Now, I tell you, I said, the show won't start. If you are staying with somebody, go home now.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here.
If you are married and your wife control you, please follow them. Listen to me. Life too sweet, oh. It dey pain me when some people they commit suicide. What is hard for you now because they won't break for you? You just commit suicide. You know, see some people die at 3:59 and their breakthrough now 4 o'clock.
I'm coming home.
Edo Pikin was talking about this money changer. Not mind am. Now money changers are saying no, say listen, the difference between possession and ownership. I will educate you. All right? Possession. Like this guy now is possessing the money. The money in his possession. Abi, you know if he spend them. Oh. He no fit spend them. Ownership, now get now if you keep quiet, if you don't go far, keep quiet.
I don't care who you are.
I care who you are, not mind my DJ. Ownership, now you get them. Let me buttress it a little. You confused for that part? Buttress. Okay, ma break and down for you. Ma bring and down. Yes. You don't understand now? Good. You will see who they say handkerchief. If they sweat, you know if you use one. Oh, I don't know. Please, am I too high for this audience? All right, are you getting me right? Good. Listen, I don't know what you are passing through. Okay. Oh, no need. Comedian they perform six, you just do face like prayer point. The beauty of woman is smile.
I go to suffer, no be
DJ wait, this one never suffer. Smile. Do face like when they test bomb. Smile. Yes. Smile. Now on smile group it smile. See the way this guy they smile. It can't be like say this guy fine pass you. Yes, no, that's not my love. No. You can't be around me and you are giving me this energy. No, do that way.
Smile for me.
You can't stand up, you can't wave.
Be good
You
to
can't
me.
prove me wrong. Try and just try your best. Try him now. Stand up first now.
Stay with me even if you've got some place to be.
DJ wait. Once you must stand, please just solve your problem, I swear. Stand me down now, you sit down like nothing mother. Let me educate you people today. When devil is playing your life as a tempo run. Not you, I'm coming for you. You know say tempo run. In the history of tempo run, nobody never reach ending. Now so devil they use some people life play. Listen to me. If devil they use your life play, nothing they make sense to you. When you know say your own door go a wire, Now when they pull you for admin, when people are laughing, you find it awkward. You call they recruit people. Person they laugh, you say, why are you laughing? Is it funny? Hello. Hey!
No.
Some people they do. Feel very free. Be happy. Smile. I can share a testimony. There's a CEO. That's why they call him fastest finger DJ. Please a round of applause for Kesley. What's it?
Hey, baby. Now you're saying, baby girl, I want it. All of the things we do.
Some of you see single because of your frowning face. Tell you for free. Am I communicating? Hey, hello? More of I just go outside.
No, they throw bad box. When the money day, that is where I'm at. Any idea?
DJ way. Not joke. No, babe, no, babe. Okay, as I touch her hair now, you carry your bag too. I'll touch your own too. Oh, yeah. Oh, you carry your own too. That is for song. Correct. Nice one.
I don't go love a shower.
Hey,
Don't go love a shower.
see your life.
I don't go love a shower.
I don't go love a shower. See your life.
I don't go love a shower.
I don't go love a shower. This will not be a shower. We'll not talk to them like that. They be prostitute.
Baby, don't mind when you see, come give me that.
Alright, DJ Wayne. I swear in the name of God, everything I will be saying, they are all lies, please. Yes, I beg. No say all these kind of guys now they friend assassin. After fine guys, now they friend rubbish boys pass.
Where them day?
Not be that till be this, so be where the day. No joko. Imagine assassin won't forget. The get like say, I'm not in a good mood. You just hear, what happened to your mood? Should not be one useless comedian. What it be name? Say not be Destalker that they call her. Destalker. See, DJ Way, my friend though. You go talk to assassin. Girlfriend, I swear. You know, say social media now to find person picture no they had. Now WhatsApp they'll just say they'll just put reward for your picture reward. You see where 4 upcoming assassins they do competition who to kill you.
I ain't trying to die.
I don't like it. Comedians come here, tell you about no. Comedians, I want to beg you. Have respect for this profession. You're the called prostitute and they crazy. That's the oldest trade in the history of this world. Oldest. The Bible. You just see comedian for Bible. Scripturally, the seniors. If you are not in church in the morning, you didn't miss anything. You are in evening service. I will tell you what your pastor cannot tell you in the altar.
I just wanna be where you are.
Guess this up now. You know, saying this all they made me they prophesy. Calm down.
Look at my life. Can you see what God has done?
Wait. All these guys, they not get shame. Oh. You know, say I carry one guy for Bini. Now Bini gets so I watch. I carry one guy for Bini before I give my life to Christ.
Uncle, please tell us a story.
Not behind the talk soon. Okay, they listen to I carry one guy. Mossy Hotel. Bini Oye. Good. You don't know Mossy Hotel? I know you now room 8.
Touchdown Bini.
They will die here. That's easy. You dey see people when they see. This our work, eh? If you know, if you're not strong, you just say I'm just so funny. As they talk to me, so not the same only talk on us, but spiritual. They send this come and they send them back. Send. Ridiculous. Did they wait? Oh, I said they laugh. Oh, no, if you know battle when I deal with these people.
Alongside Timmy.
Did they wait? You they see they say na young girls. The youngest is 80 years, 80.
Everyone can never be preaching love. I'm not a man of preach of love. I'm a war. I'm a fight. I'm an Ingaboski.
Bouncing. You see that one when he wear white, he get 9 children there.
I got the power.
DJ White, I not get any power. Fear waiting. The evil as they are telling this, so they see me like Kovu. How na they? Oh, I'm not greeting the way they greet for Kovu. Woo! You see, huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, now they see the baby. I tell them, say, not be honorary fight. Not be honorary fight. Now they see comedy. See them now. Oh, yeah. You dey see them? If you get spiritual eye, you go to see black and black. This I call you follow and play. Queen mothers, please, let's perform.
Hello, Habibi. Salam alaikum, Habibi. If you're ready, let's go, Habibi. I told you, Habibi.
Yeah, auntie, you are crying. I'm sorry. I don't mean to hurt you. I'll be gentle with you, okay? You see what? You feel like giving me your last 1K. You get 1K, you get money. Oh.
That cry, you will cry when the saints have gone.
You get 1K. You there among even when they live well for this country. Jesus. I say, listen to me now. Wait, now listen. For Aja Bridge. Now somebody go change fake 1,000 fake. Now they give her 2 fake 500. You say what thing? Worry. Apart from distraction, who you be? Talk to me. Eh? You know, say. All right. One love, man. Brotherhood. Oh, you want to spray me? Wow.
Money where we got you know.
Wait. Now 1,000 finish. The one that's spray me over here. That they cannot call real life. You know, say if I not be winch before, I not go understand these people. You know, see, say I guess they there. I'm sorry for you. Okay. And my friends, so beautiful guys. Yeah, she used to stay in my estate. Now she have moved. No place like home. She stay with her parents now.
Allah is turning things around.
I'm sorry. Let me perform.
Now,
you know why I like this place? You know why I want stress so now? So I want to take the time so that as we just stop, we'll just enter it, they'll close the curtain. Now there be the room, yeah, na Sonic.
We are a chosen generation.
Anyway, it's sweet, eh? See as you are the happy so. If you see how your enemy they feel bad. Some of us they look on for me though, I swear. Depends on they see say they happy. For their mind, all the one with the say no they touch them.
I got enemies, got a lot of
No
enemies.
joke.
Got a nigga fucking with the.
You know this when they shoot for me? It said to be best comedian. We are over 1,000 comedian day. Back to back. Every year. Now beans.
You tell me bad man, see, I need your love.
Wait, listen to me. If you are not ready, Sonic, if you are not ready for war, leave success.
You tell me bad man, see, I need your love. See, I need your love.
Any profession that you are, as you are sitting here now, because we did so everybody get different profession. We get doctors, Dr. Alpha, read doctor, good. I would say not small doctor, okay. Everybody get different profession. See, no joke. We get engineers here. All right? We get interior decor. All right? We get people when they sell bedsheet online. Hello? They're not there.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣe wá? Ẹ̀jú bá jí kẹjọ lẹ́sọ̀.
Okay.